What's good, everyone? The Jeep Wagoneer and Grand Wagoneer are premium rigs straight from the factory. But a few smart accessories can take them to a whole new level of comfort, protection, and functionality. Today, we've got 8 must-have picks that are genuinely worth it. All links are in the video description. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 8, we've got the Auto Start-Stop Eliminator. If the Wagoneer's engine cutting off at every red light is already getting on your nerves, this is the fix you need. Plug and play install in just minutes. No cutting, no splicing, no programming whatsoever. Once it's in, it memorizes your preference and automatically disables Auto Start-Stop every time you start the car. It won't void your factory or extended warranty, won't mess with your remote start, and won't change any factory settings. Engineered and assembled right here in upstate New York by 4D Tech, a U.S. company that's been in the game since 2013. Tested and confirmed compatible with the Wagoneer. One of the best quality of life upgrades on this whole list. Moving on to number 7. Say hello to the Odro floor mats. Laser scanned for a precise fit on the Wagoneer, these TPE mats cover all 3 rows, front, second, and third, with deep channels and raised edges that trap dirt, snow, mud, and liquid before it ever touches your carpet. Odorless, latex-free, and way more temperature-resistant than PVC. Wipe them clean in seconds. Whether you're hitting the slopes or hauling the whole squad, these mats have your interior covered. No cap. Sliding into number 6, check out the King Gary roof rack crossbars. Die-cast aluminum brackets with 2 mm thick aluminum bars. These exceed OEM load capacity at up to 220 pounds. Aerodynamic profile design keeps wind noise low, even at highway speeds. And the aluminum construction handles heat, cold, and corrosion without breaking a sweat. Specifically designed to replace factory crossbars on the Wagoneer. Comes with a 12-month warranty and everything you need to install. Haul smart, fam. Dropping into number 5, meet the trunk cargo net. Groceries, gear, sports equipment, all of it slides around your cargo area on every turn, unless you've got this nylon mesh envelope net keeping things in check. Designed specifically for the Wagoneer with 2 loops on top and 2 hooks on the bottom, it installs with 0 drilling and 0 extra hardware. 3 locks on top keep items from falling out. Lightweight, tough, and easy to stash when you don't need it. Stepping into the top 4 at number 4, we've got the dashboard cover for the Grand Wagoneer. UV rays crack and fade your dash over time. This premium flannel mat stops all of that. The thick black fluff layer absorbs heat, keeps the dash cooler in summer, and the densely dotted silicone backing keeps it locked in place without adhesives. Exact cutouts for all sensors and vents, so nothing gets blocked. Just lay it down and it stays put. Simple, effective, and your dash will thank you. Right in the thick of it at number 3, here's the center console cover by Car Console Covers Plus. Made from neoprene right in Port Orange, Florida, by a family-owned American business with over 15 years in the game. This cover fits the front and rear consoles on the Wagoneer and Grand Wagoneer and defends against dog claws, scratches, dirt, and daily wear. The fully elasticized hem gives a snug, custom-fit look. No slipping, no bunching. Machine washable. Premium protection, proudly made in the USA. Right behind the top spot at number 2, here's the 7 Dekai Cargo Liner. Custom fitted, using 3D modeling technology for the Wagoneer and Grand Wagoneer, this mat covers the trunk floor, seat backs, and sides. Total cargo area protection. Non-toxic, odorless, and safe for the whole family. Shields against scratches, water, dirt, and stains. No trimming, no fuss. Just unfold and drop it in. Keep your cargo area looking factory fresh no matter what you're hauling. Legit must have. And coming in at number 1, the center console organizer, and it earns that top spot all day. The Wagoneer's armrest box is deep, and everything just piles up at the bottom. This premium ABS tray with a matte finish divides the space into two tiers. Upper for your daily essentials, lower for everything else. The non-skid silicone mat keeps items from shifting and reduces noise on bumpy roads. Zero tools, drop-in install, and it looks totally OEM inside. Clean console, zero clutter. Absolute game changer, no question. And that's your top 8 must-have Jeep Wagoneer accessories. Every single link is right there in the video description. Go check them out and upgrade your ride the right way. If this video was helpful, smash that subscribe button and stay with the crew. More content is on the way. Stay fresh.